Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at one of my favorite places on earth. Yep, this is Copart. You can hear the trains training, you can hear the cars rolling, and you can hear the workers digging. They're doing some work out here, but I am really excited to peruse the lot because I have a little money in my pocket and I want to spend it. I want to buy another vehicle. So we're going to take a look and see what we can find. We're going to try to find a couple of cars for you as well. So with that being said, let's jump in a car. Hubba hubba. How about we start off with the 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera in black, probably over black as well. Let me back up the camera. There it is. Now you can get the full effect. Oh, she's a pretty girl. She really, really is. Let's take a look at this. We have the spoiler activated right there. The important words, Porsche 911 Carrera. And look at the exhaust right here. Oh my goodness. This is a beast of a car. Paint protected everywhere right here. Your damage is just up front and it doesn't seem to be too extensive. Okay, it was enough to set off the airbag in the dash, so that's unfortunate. You do need a windshield. But basically, it's your bumper cover and your fender and your light. I don't think this is damaged. Well, just a touch. Just right through here, just a touch through here. Maybe everything has been pushed over a little bit. But I wouldn't be afraid of this at all. Absolutely. No. Mikey likes. Mikey loves this car. Okay, let's get in. We have the washers right there for the headlights. Let's take a look at the inside, which is going to be beautiful. Oh, you get a whole bunch of clothes and an umbrella and a beautiful black interior. Holy moly. All right. So, Idiot Mike forgot his little tripod that he uses to hold the camera. So I'm doing everything with my hands right here attached to the camera. Look at this. Oh, all these little buttons to push. Everything else. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, someone has been in here looking at the fuses and everything right there. We have this airbag that probably went off. This one definitely went off. Look at your cup holders. That's nice. Look at the, oh, so beautiful. Okay, well, this is such a nice place to be. We gotta, oh, this is for your fuse. Well, what a great way to start the video. I don't think she's gonna do anything either. I really don't. Let's just kind of see what's gonna happen. Yeah, she's dead. She's dead as can be. What's in the bag? We get an umbrella and, ooh, clothes and cables and a jump starter. Everything else you need. I'm sorry, folks. This is not a sign of things to come because I'm in a great mood. I'm going to have a lot of fun doing these walkarounds. We just had a little misstep on this one, but what a beautiful car just to look at. I mean, really, just the bulges here. This is such a beautiful car. Oh, Mikey needs a little Porsche in his life. He does. Absolutely. Unfortunately, it's not going to be this one. So we're going to move on and find something that we can start because this one is not cooperating at all. Let's just make this the battle of the sports cars. We have a 2010 Chevy Camaro with a little SS badge going on right there. This is blue with the white Go Fast stripe right there. There is a little damage on your bumper, nothing major. The problem is your fender and this wheel looks a little janky. The good news is they've removed the fender so you can see that this is fine. Everything here is fine. This may be a little bit off right there. That's nothing a pair of pliers won't fix right there. This is still good. Everything else looks great. So get yourself a blue fender and you may, well, okay, you may want to get, unless you can plastic weld, your bumper, and you'll be good to go. Okay? This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I like the little indents on the roof right here. This is a little spooky scary. Okay, we do have Continental contact, extreme contact with a little bit of tread left right there. No damage, no damage, no damage. We're just doing a quick little walk around right here. Couple little scratches. Continental extreme contact there. And then we have Continental extreme contact right there. So these are all 4 matching tires, which is great. We got 2 scary skeletons. We got a goober in a vest. Let's jump inside here, and we have power. Okay, well, I'm gonna sit over here on this side and see what we've got, because if this is a true SS and it's not just the little thing they stuck on there, what is it, 450 something horsepower? Come on. Okay, that doesn't sound like a V6. No, that actually sounds like what it is supposed to be. Wow. Hood open. Okay, that's good news. Is that it? Is that the only issue? Is your hood open? Okay, let's go through the menu. 134,000 miles. Vehicle information menu. That's all. It's just the hood is open. How much gas do we have? Half a tank of gas. Yes. Oh my goodness. This. Oh! You got a cell phone holder right here, which is super nice. She's idling just perfectly. Let's see what is this? The LS3, I think. Oh my gosh. How much fun would this have coming with it if you parked it in your driveway? Yeah, let's just kind of see. Ugh, which way does it go? Here we go. Yes. Will the struts hold it open? There it is. Oh, she's idling perfectly. I love this. Listen to this. You got the cool, look how thick those spark plug wires are. Oh, ha. Okay, so you do need a headlight as well. I love this. I love it. Would you rather have this or take a risk on the Porsche if it was the same price? Porsche is going to be way more. It's a 2014 if I remember right. They didn't like this, so they wrote on it. This. Oh gosh. Yeah, for some reason though, we're missing the door panel on the driver's side. I don't know if it's in the trunk. I really don't know. How do we get into the trunk? Where's my little button? Is there one? I don't see a thing for the trunk. Maybe it's back, if you open the door, you have access to it, or is it right down here? I can't open the door because it's plastic wrapped and sealed. So I can't. Ooh, what is this? Some kind of a cool audio system. Well, that means we're going to have to try it out. We're just going to have to see what it's like. What's under here? Not too much. Okay, let's just see. Where's my sound? Radio band, XM. Oh, we have XM, AM, FM. Now maybe. We got the bull going on. Country music. But there's no sound. What is this? Like a subwoofer in the back or something? Where is the... We have all kinds of parts in there. I guess that's to hold your fender on and everything. I don't know why this isn't working. I really don't know. This window will go up and down, of course. Look how quiet. Absolutely. Let's just see if the trunk will open by itself. Why do I feel so stupid? I love this exhaust sound. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. and there's no button to push. So we can't look in the trunk. We can't do it. Okay, we're just going to assume that's real, folks. We're going to assume that the panel is in the trunk. Who cares if it's not? Just buy one off eBay. You're going to get a good deal on this car. Whoa. Okay, so Mikey really likes this car. 2010. They changed the dash since then. I mean, this is a long strip of just plastic nothingness. But I love it. I really do. Okay, so with that being said, she runs good. She looks good. She needs a fender and a bumper and a headlight. That's it. That's all. So this is option number 2 for you if you are in the market for a sports car. Option number 3, 2017 Jaguar FType. That did take a little crunch, but I think all the major components are okay. Around the back, you have the spoiler activated right there, and in white with the tan. This is gorgeous. You have the fancy handles here. The problem is right up here, and this could get a little bit expensive because you need your bumper, your headlights. I don't know what headlights are going to cost on a 2017 Jaguar. You're going to need some suspension components, perhaps some tie rod ends right here, and you're going to need this bottom part of the front fender and a door. But I think, see, like all this stuff is okay. I mean, it's just pushed in a little bit. So, well, this may be a little more serious right there. That's your ABS system. Sorry, this is not a Mercedes, but we do have power. And I got to tell you, the inside of this thing is gorgeous. This is really beautiful. So let's just kind of take a seat. Ooh, enjoy this experience. Wow. Okay, low battery. Please start engine. Okay. Well, starter we did. Look at this. This is nice. So we have an ABS fault. Of course we do, because your ABS pump and the lines could be damaged. Stability control not active. Brake, park, hood open. Half a tank of gas. 38,000 miles, and this is what, a 2017. So it's 6 years old and 38,000 miles. So that's why this is in such good condition. Wow, this is really nice. This is a nice place to be. Oh, okay, thank you. It will adjust that for you, and I don't want to turn this because of that front left wheel. But you know everything's going to work. Look how they have this inside of the dials, which is really cool. So we're going through some things here. Stability control, once again. Left door open. Hood open. Okay, this is cool. This is really nice. Look at your key. That's all it is. Ah, that's nice. Okay, this would be kind of expensive to fix. And this, you see the door? It does come up a little bit. So there could be some frame damage. I don't know. Meridian sound system. Absolutely, thank you very much. But since the hood is open, let's check it out. We'll turn off the AC. But she sounds good. Absolutely. We have a flat tire, probably a couple of flat tires. Look at your exhaust, right in the middle. That sounds nice. That is really cool. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. I guess because of the damage, I can't get it open. Or does it go this way? Oh, it goes this way. Well, heck yeah, because it's a Jaguar. There it is. Supercharged. Your hood strut. Well, this actually popped off. This, let me hold the hood with my head. Yeah, this attaches to the hood like right here, and it broke. It's broken. But everything inside of the frame rails is okay. I don't even think it's leaking coolant or anything. Same thing happened over there with the hood strut. This engine sounds great. Wow. Okay, well, let me see if I can easily put this down There it is. A lot of damage. But this was a beautiful car. Oh my gosh, back in the day, 6 whole years ago. This was something to have. And it still could be something to have. If you are interested in this, go to iaai.com. You can download the app as well. You can search for any kind of a car you want. It's a nationwide search. It'll tell you where it is. You can specify it within 50 miles of you, 200 miles, 500, whatever. And you're going to find the car of your dreams. Like this one right here. This was nice. This was beautiful. So the question is, are you a risk taker on the Porsche? Would you prefer the 2010 Camaro SS that drives beautifully, it just needs a little bit, or are you a super risky person with this because just the body parts alone, whoo, it's going to add up pretty quick. If I had the money, I think I might just take the Jaguar and just look for some body parts. I think mechanically it's going to be fine. Redo your brake lines right there perhaps for the ABS system. But inside, this is such a nice place to be. Or that Camaro, buy it and fix it and flip it just like that. All right, let me know what you would do. Leave a comment below. I read each and every comment. If they're witty and funny, I'll respond to them. I do appreciate that. No hate, no disrespect, nothing like that. This is a child-friendly channel. We all have so much fun here. I don't like anything negative being said, okay? And with that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you again in another video very, very soon. I still haven't found anything for me, though.